Once upon a time, on the sun-kissed shores of Jamaica, there lived a young woman named Makeba. She was a vibrant young lady, full of life and dreams, with eyes that sparkled like the Caribbean Sea and a smile that could brighten even the gloomiest day. Makeba loved her island, its music, its dance, and the way it made her feel alive. One warm afternoon, as the steel drums played in the background, Makeba was walking along the beach, lost in her thoughts. That's when she saw him, Gary. He was a tall, a strong young man with a mischievous grin and a heart full of passion for everything Jamaican. Gary was a musician, and he was strumming his guitar, filling the air with a melody so sweet it seemed to make the ocean dance. Their eyes met, and in that moment, everything else faded away. Gary's music seemed to whisper to Makeba, telling her stories of love and hope. She felt her heart warming to the rhythm of his songs. This was no ordinary connection. It was like the island itself had conspired to bring them together. Gary stepped closer, singing a song he'd written just for the love he knew he'd meet one day, a song about the beautiful energy of Jamaica and the power of love. Makeba's cheeks flushed, and she joined in, her voice blending with his in perfect harmony. The sun set behind them, casting a golden glow, as if the universe was celebrating their union. From that day on, Makeba and Gary's love grew like the lush hills of Jamaica, intense, passionate, and unstoppable. They danced in the rain, laughed under the stars, and vowed never to let go of each other's hands. Their love was a shimmering light brighter with every heartbeat, a true testament to the power of passion and the magic of their island home. And so, in the heart of Jamaica, Makeba and Gary's love story became a legend, a story of intense happiness and joy and the unbreakable bond of two lovers forever entwined by the essence of the island they called home.